Hi, my name is Roderick and I help high performers lose weight smarter. So when can we finally start to lose weight? Again, when the data shows your body is ready for it. So how would you know? Well, you can easily and cheaply measure this in the comfort of your own home. And as soon as you give me the green light, we get to work. This is also where I change roles. Before I was a coach, as I am not an expert on you. However, you also come to me for my expertise, knowledge and experience and the tools that I've developed to speed up the whole weight loss process, right? So what I will do now is I will gather a lot of data points, I will analyze that and give you recommendations on a weekly basis in reports to make sure that the progress is as fast, strong and healthy as possible. So at this point you might have a few questions like, how much weight will I lose or how long will it take? Well, let me say in general, my clients lose between 0.7 and 1.2 kilos per week in this phase. So you can do your own math on how long it would take you to reach your ideal weight. So another question you might have at this point is, what magical method or diet does this guy use? And in all honesty, I don't like to talk much about it in this video. Not because I'm hiding it, but well, let me explain in 3 reasons. First of all, my method continuously changes and evolves based on new research and insights. So this video wouldn't age very well. Secondly, if you start Googling those individual aspects, they might look weird actually. However, I believe with the right knowledge, context, insights and the data-driven approach, combined with being guided by me, everything changes. I would consider seeing it as a dish. You might not like an ingredient, but if you have the right other ingredients prepared in the right way by the right chef, then magic happens. It's synergy. And lastly, everything is customized to you from the coaching phase as well as the data-driven phase afterwards. So me saying this is the exact method I use would not really make any sense at this point. So I hope you understand that. So after that, we move to the last step, which is the balance step. Here, we will reintroduce life, meaning pizza night, sushi all you can eat dinners, or even ice cream with the kids. Yes, these things will happen. You will have the tool set that will allow you to make sure that they are done and your weight is in check and you can move onwards. This is the maybe most important step in the whole process because this is what ensures long-term results.